Good morning, it's time to rise. Open your eyes to sunny skies. Stretch your arms and wiggle your toes. Hop out of bed and strike a pose. Let's brush our teeth, scrub, scrub away. Make them sparkle for the day. Wash your face and take a shower. You'll feel fresh with superpower. Time for breakfast, yum, yum, yum. Fill your tummy. Good morning, good